All right, so we are here at Drive Safe Automotive again, and I got the transmission inside a bag because it looks like it wants to rain, if you can see the sky. And I brought that core back. I mean, I really don't need it. And so there it is. There's the transmission. And we're gonna check a Chevrolet truck, but so this is the way I carry my stuff. You know, when I carry things like this, my diagnostic equipment, I got my Automotive bag, and that goes here. And let's see here. Where's the zipper at? It's over here. That's our, like, my probes. The VCMI, we're going to use it today. We're going to diagnose a Chevrolet truck that has no pedal. Those are the test leads I got, well, that come for the Automotive. But I actually I ordered some from AES Wave because I'm having problems with this leads. So basically everything is here. I got some probes in here. And what else I got? Let's see here. The charger. This is not the Senex sensor, but it's the first look. Pressure transducer adapter. Yeah, here's the first look sensor and some other stuff. And I got this. I use the same thing on the on my picoscope. That's the bag for the Pico. Let's see. So we got the laptop and the charger. And the Pico. The Pico with the leads. It's a 4-channel Picoscope. So I carry everything in bags. I know everybody has some diag carts and stuff like that. Pretty cool, you know, the looking carts with the boom pole on them and stuff like that. But here's the leads for the Pico, and same thing here. The probes and some other stuff, you know, like the regular Pico stuff. That's my snap-on bearers. Snap-on bearers. I rarely use this thing. I mean, I kind of don't like it, but I like my Automotive better. And I got my Vantage. I like this motherfucker right here. My Vantage Ultra. Actually, I still have a Vantage Pro. It's a blue one. Old blue Vantage Pro. So here's my Vantage Ultra. And laptop in here with some tuning manuals and stuff like that. Got some leads over there. Got some tools in those 2 bags. My lunch bag, and yep. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. I mean, I don't know about you guys, how you guys do it, but I mean, this is me right here. Everything in bags. Yeah, I support Israel. All right, well, let's go to that truck over there. It's that blue truck. You can barely see it, but we're gonna diagnose that thing. All right, so we're working on this one now. It's a 2500. It's a 2003 Chevrolet pickup truck. It won't accelerate. And engine swap. It was a bad engine, 6.0, and they put another one in it, and for some reason it doesn't want to accelerate, and it feels like it's misfiring or something missing. So let's do a powertrain scan. It's gonna take a little while. Just want to see, besides the powertrain control module, what other issues do we have? Probably gonna do some voltage drop check or something like that. I mean, I still don't know what direction am I gonna take with this truck. So just bear with me a little bit. I'm gonna pause it while it's scanning. Once it finishes, then we'll continue. All right, let's go ahead and look at the report. I'm outside the shop now, so it's gonna be a little bit glary, just like always when I'm outside the shop. Powertrain has 5 faults, brake system has 1 fault, airbag 1, body control module 3, and vehicle stability enhancement system, if equipped, it says it has 1 fault. Throttle position 1 circuit, throttle position sensor 2 circuit, throttle actuator control module, throttle actuator precision performance, throttle actuator tach module serial data circuit, theft deterrent start enable signal not received. Okay, so either the throttle body or the throttle actuator module, which is this one right here, the P1518 C0550, refer to vehicle service manual, class 2 data link malfunction. That's on the airbag, body control module, ambient power master input, mismatch, class 2 link, ECU performance. Okay, all right, well, let's go to control unit. Let's go to the powertrain control module. Let's go to live data. Let's see what it looks like. Engine live data. Engine 2, fuel trim, misfire, throttle control actuator. TAC PCM communication signal fault. Reduced engine power active. Accelerator pedal is at 0%. My APP is not working. Throttle position desired angle 7%. Throttle position indicated angle 20%. So it's way off. The desired angle is at 7. It's at 7, and the actual throttle position is at 20%. Accelerator pedal 1 and 2 agree. APP sensor 1, 0 voltage. It looks like it's disconnected, but they did not work inside the truck. They just swapped the motor. TP position sensor 1, I ain't got nothing here. 0 volts on that one. Cruise control active, no. Okay, I'm just gonna do some connection checks. It's at 575 RPM. It feels like it's missing, like if it's out of time, like the timing or something. Let's see here. Let's pop the hood on this thing. Alright, so that's the tach module. They replaced the tach module for some reason, or because it's giving a code, and then the other tach module is in there. We have no throttle position on 1 and 2. Idle is kind of low. I mean, other than that, I'm just gonna unplug and plug some things, and then I'm gonna do some circuit tests, and then we'll see what I'm gonna be able to find. I'm gonna clear the codes and see if that makes it a little bit different. Okay, so I put the truck inside the shop, and it would barely move, so I put it in 4 low. As you can see right there, it says reduce engine power, and I'm gonna do a just an auto scan, see what's up with it. We're gonna go from there. Checking the lights on, the brake lights on, ABS light is on. Gonna do some auto detect. I already print out the wiring schematic, wiring diagram, and we're gonna do standalone. Good, okay. a 4-speed automatic under 86,000. It's a I don't think it's a bore warner. It's probably a new process transfer case. 263. It's got dual zone, manual. It has an aftermarket radio, so I'm gonna put base radio on it. It's a 6.0 with the 4L80. Do a fault scan, ping all the modules, see what's up. Got 6 codes on the powertrain, 1 code on the anti-lock brakes, nothing on the airbags. Body control module has 2, nothing on the instrument panel cluster. That module's not there. CDC, nothing. I don't think it's gonna have any more modules, but it's just trying to ping everything that's supposed to be on this truck. So it's running right now. It's missing a lot. So the throttle body and the throttle actuator, or the throttle body module, they were both swapped just to see if it cured the issue or did anything different, and nothing changed. And I thought I see those things somewhere in here, but they're not. I seen them the other day. So we're gonna try and pinpoint the problem on this thing. All right, let's go ahead and check the powertrain control module. Let's look at trouble codes. That's what we're after. We got 6 faults. What do you know? It says no faults detected. What the what? Okay, I'm gonna exit here. I'm just gonna go to control unit and go directly through there. Control unit, powertrain, trouble codes. Got 6 faults on the powertrain. What the what? Let's go to freeze frame. Come on now, you gotta give me some. Give me something to work with. There we go. 1518. Well, I had to take that call. Okay. What the what? Torque converter clutch, pulls width modulator, solenoid control circuit, throttle actuator, module serial data circuit, lost communication with body control module, dash integration module, standard body module. Theft deterrent, enable signal not received, and the 2-3 shift solenoid control circuit. We've got some different issues now, because the codes that I saw were no transmission problems. You know what? I'm gonna get my HP tuners, plug it in, and I'm gonna read the module and see the PCM. I mean, if the PCM was replaced, probably the PCM is for a 4L60. Let's find out. But we still got to fix the 1518, and yeah, the 1518. That was the main issue. That's why the parts were swapped. But yeah, let me get the HP tuners and plug it in and see if the file is for a 4L60 or 4L80. All right, let's go ahead and read the Read vehicle. Let's go ahead and I got the MPVI connected. I need to turn the key on. Maybe if I turn the key on, it'll start reading it. Okay. There we go. So P59 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 6.0 V8. Why do I have transmission codes now? So I saw the codes before and they were all actuator, they were all for the throttle actuator. Last time I was here I did a quick scan, just look at it, and okay, let's check this thing out. Transmission. No, it does have a 4L80E, so it is a right module. Okay, I just wanted to double check and make sure that the right module was installed. Let's go ahead and down here, let's open up the scanner. Connect to vehicle, gathering vehicle information. Let's go ahead and Diagnostics. Let's go ahead and read for codes. There's no DTCs detected. That's kind of weird. Freeze frame. Read freeze frame. No freeze frame detected. What's going on here? Oh, let's start the truck. Will it rev up? Man, it kind of feels like the accelerator pedal sensor. Let's go ahead and load vehicle defaults. Let's go ahead and start scanning. Where is the throttle? Accelerator position 0%. It's reading. Just misfiring a lot. Let's go ahead and look at the graphs. Spark advance, spark retard. Let's look at the long-term fuel trims. Let's see what it looks like. This is weird. Check engine light is blinking. Alright. But the fuel trims, they look good. So we're looking at the long-term fuel trims. It's at 1%. So it's adding a little bit. This is my map sensor versus engine speed versus long-term fuel trims. Let's look at the short-term fuel trims. The short-term fuel trims, it's adding a lot of fuel, like if it's real lean. We should have a trouble code now. Let's go ahead and Let's go ahead and stop right here. Let's go ahead and scan it again. Random misfire detected. So we're gonna check for misfires now. That's the only code that's popping up. And yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's look for add channel, engine, idle, airflow, spark and ignition, ignition coils. Let's see, advanced, retard, timing event. Okay, it's not here. Misfire, right here, misfire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's add all 8 cylinders. Start scanning. Cylinder number 1 misfire. 1 and 7. 1 and 7 misfire. Number 7 is a lot. So you got some coils down there. So let's check it out. Let's look at those two cylinder number 7 and see what it looks like. Oh, number 8 too. 8, 7, and 1. Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, so there's no ground. If I disconnect the ground that I have here, I forgot my power probe to bring it. There we go. This is the TAC module. Now we're going to go into reduce engine power mode. Plug it in. It's probably on reduced power mode again because I undid the ground. I had 7 volts on it. Let's see if it'll accelerate. It's misfiring. Yep, reduce engine power. And number 6 is misfiring now. I'm gonna have to clear the codes. Okay, let's scan it for codes. Electronic throttle module to PCM communication. Check engine line, check service engine soon, light pending, current, and history. I'm gonna go ahead and clear it. And that set it when I undid that ground. I'm gonna clear the codes. And you can see over here, it's red. It's adding fuel because of the misfire. So let's go ahead and read codes. No DTCs, as we can see right here. All right, let's close this up. Exit that. Cycle the key off. And the weird thing is that this truck, when you would turn it off, it would stay running. It's misfiring, you know. Now number 2 is misfiring, number 1. And you can see right here in idle, the mixture is good. And on some, it adds fuel. The injectors were pulled, and then they don't have an injector machine. I probably need to bring a set of injectors. I have an injector cleaning machine. I'll probably bring that. But here we go. Bad ground on the TAC module.